Every day, maintenance managers face several challenging issues. One of them is the fear of an unexpected plant shutdown. Did you know that globally, this problem can cost around $1 trillion per year because of lost production and revenue? Managing this unexpected loss on top of worrying about daily issues can be too daunting. But what if your operations can be strategic and smooth sailing? Imagine if you can prevent, plan ahead, and make faster decisions from real-time data. Imagine transitioning from preventive and corrective maintenance to condition-based and predictive maintenance, saving you unnecessary costs and reducing safety risks. With Yokogawa's OpreX Managed Service, you don't have to imagine. Combining the expertise of our people, process, and technology, we will bring digital transformation to your maintenance operations. OpreX Managed Service is powered by Yokogawa Plant Asset Management Platform, called the Managed Service Suite. With a single window display, remotely monitor your plant OT assets, detecting potential issues and their causes, enabling you to act before they happen. More than a standardized service, it is a tailor-fit managed service suite, making your plant as boring and smooth sailing as possible. In close collaboration with you, we will discover challenges and opportunities, design a tailor-fit solution, and develop sustainable transformation, making plant maintenance efficient, effective, and integrated. With Yokogawa's decades of proven experience and global success, we will ensure that your people, process, and technology are optimized in the long run. So let's co-innovate a managed future for you with Yokogawa OpreX Managed Service.